Hi guys, I'm doing well. I bought this from Amazon. As you can see, the quality, it seems to me good, and I'm using this keyboard and it's better than my hand. It's up level from the keyboard, but the main issue that for this one it's very expensive, 2 times expensive, but quality is good. You can see here there is a tiny part so it's not attached on the surface. Totally I like it, but it's expensive and it's matched with my keyboard. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have a question.